to enhance your teaching skills as well as increase your communication skill, your knowledge. I am Megha Jain. I am pursuing BCA from Shankaracharya Mahavidyalaya. I found about Tutors Factory through Instagram ads. It was very easy to register yourself. You can register yourself just by filling a registration form. The payout scheme of Tutors Factory is very good. It is always on time to time, and it has a very good amount. The mentors of Tutors Factory are also very friendly and helpful to us. You can select your preferable time as well as your preferable timing to enhance your teaching skills as well as increase your communication skill, your knowledge about education. So I would recommend you to join Tutors Factory to increase your knowledge and to earn a good amount of money. Thank you.